Medicinal plants have been used for centuries to promote healing, support the immune system, and treat various health issues naturally. From turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory effects to chamomile's calming properties and moringa's nutritional richness, these herbs offer a wide range of benefits. Whether used as teas, capsules, tinctures, or topically, they provide gentle, holistic support for the body. However, not all herbs are safe for everyone, so use with care and professional guidance. Here's a list of 20 top medicinal plants, including their benefits, common uses, and precautions. Who should avoid them, really? 1. Turmeric, 𝘃𝐶𝐿. Benefits include anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it supports joint and digestive health. You can use turmeric as a powder in cooking, teas, or capsules. However, people on blood thinners or with gallstones should avoid it. Now let's talk about ginger, or 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲𝐶𝐀 officinale. It's well known for aiding digestion, providing relief from nausea, and having anti-inflammatory properties. You can use it fresh as a tea in powdered form or even in capsules. However, it's best avoided by those with bleeding disorders or anyone taking blood thinners. Moving on to garlic, also known as Allium sativum. Garlic is appreciated for its antiviral benefits, its ability to support heart health, and its role in lowering cholesterol. You can use it raw, cooked, or as a supplement, though people who are about to undergo surgery or have low blood pressure should steer clear of it. And then there's Ashwagandha, or Withania somnifera. This herb is often used to reduce stress and support both thyroid and adrenal function. It's available in capsules, powders, and teas. Still, pregnant women and those with hyperthyroidism should avoid taking it. Now, let's talk about ginseng, or Panax ginseng. This remarkable herb is well known for boosting energy, enhancing focus, and strengthening the immune system. You'll often find it used in teas, capsules, and tinctures. However, folks with high blood pressure or insomnia should steer clear of it. Next up is chamomile, which goes by the botanical name Matricaria chamomile. Chamomile is renowned for promoting sleep, reducing anxiety, and helping with digestion. Most commonly, it's enjoyed as a tea, but you might also see it in extracts or used topically. Just a note, anyone allergic to ragweed should avoid chamomile. Moving on, we have peppermint, or Mentha piperita. Peppermint, or Mentha piperita, is, well, a classic herbal remedy. It's known to ease digestion, relieve headaches, and of course freshen your breath. You can use it as a tea, as an oil, or even apply it topically. However, do avoid peppermint if you're giving it to infants or if you have GERD, which is acid reflux. Lavender, also called Lavandula angustifolia, is widely valued for its calming properties. It helps reduce anxiety and insomnia, making it a favorite among herbalists. You might use lavender oil for diffusion, or topically enjoy it as a tea or add it to a bath soak. Still, it's best to avoid large amounts if you're pregnant or if you have hormone-sensitive conditions. Aloe Vera, or Aloe barbadensis, is honestly a bit of a wonder plant. It's fantastic for skin healing, aids digestion, and has anti-inflammatory effects. You can apply the gel topically or take the juice internally. But remember, internal use should be avoided during pregnancy or if you have kidney conditions. Echinacea, or Echinacea purpurea, is well known for its ability to boost immunity and help fight off colds. You can use it as a tea in capsules or as tinctures. However, it's best to avoid echinacea if you have autoimmune diseases or allergies to daisies. Milk thistle, also called Silybum marianum, is often used for liver detox and is a strong antioxidant. It's commonly available in capsules, teas, and tinctures, but people with hormone-sensitive cancers should steer clear of milk thistle. Holy basil, or Tulsi, is valued for its ability to reduce stress and support respiratory health. You can enjoy it as a tea in capsules or fresh leaves. Still, it's important to avoid holy basil during pregnancy or if you have fertility concerns. Licorice root, also known as 𝗃𝗍𝗄𝐿 glabra, is quite well regarded for soothing digestive issues and offering anti-inflammatory benefits. It's commonly used in tea extract or, even lozenges. However, it's important to avoid licorice root if you have high blood pressure or are pregnant. Next up, we have number 14, St. John's wort, or Hypericum perforatum, is traditionally used for mild to moderate depression relief. You might find it in capsules, teas, or tinctures, but, it should be avoided by people who are on antidepressants, birth control, or blood thinners. Fenugreek, also known by its scientific name Trigonella fuinum graecum, is quite remarkable. It supports lactation and helps with blood sugar control, which many people find really useful. Typically, the seeds are used in food, teas, or even capsules. However, it's best to avoid fenugreek during pregnancy or if you have hormone-sensitive conditions. Dandelion, or Taraxacum officinale, is another fascinating herb. It offers liver support, acts as a digestive aid, and works as a natural diuretic. You can use the leaves in salads, brew them as tea, or take them in capsule form. Just a note of caution: those with kidney issues or allergies to daisies should steer clear of dandelion. Nettle, known scientifically as 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲𝐿, has a reputation for reducing allergies and joint pain, as well as supporting kidney health. People usually enjoy it as a tea in capsules or cooked as greens, but pregnant women and individuals taking diuretics should avoid nettle just to be on the safe side. Valerian root, also known as Valeriana officinalis, is, widely recognized for its benefits as a sleep aid and for reducing anxiety. You can use it in the form of capsules, tinctures, or teas. However, it's important to avoid valerian root during pregnancy, and you should not combine it with sedatives or alcohol. Yarrow, or Achillea millefolium, is, quite valued for its wound healing properties, as well as being a digestive aid and providing menstrual relief. It's typically used as a tea, poultice, or in tinctures. Do keep in mind, though, that it should be avoided during pregnancy and by anyone allergic to daisies. Moringa, or Moringa oleifera, is honestly a powerhouse plant, rich in nutrients, anti-inflammatory, and a strong antioxidant. You can use moringa as a powder, in capsules as tea, or with fresh leaves. Still, it's best to avoid moringa in high doses during pregnancy or if you have low blood pressure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.